So it's time to punch in and go to work. It's time to activate your primary defense system. Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY. And that is you. And it's not just me, but my wife has a weaponized mind. My kids have a weaponized mind. I don't hide the evils of the world from my kids. I don't overexpose them to it, but I don't hide it from them. They understand there's people in this world that would hurt them if they're given even half a chance. They have the belief, most people in this world are really good people and they'll help you in a time of crisis. And I've taught them to trust their intuition. So they know that they don't have a fear of talking to strangers because their intuition will help them pick the right type of stranger to talk to. A fucking stranger can help save your life. Or a stranger can take your life. This is the defensive strategy. So you weaponize your mind and your body.